Alright guys, it's a new day and I am excited. What is the first thing I always do with a car? I am on my way to the muffler shop. I'm going to get freaking straight pipe, baby. I'm going to do a muffler delete and a resonator delete. I'm going to leave the cats just for emissions purposes. Not that it really matters, seeing that it wouldn't pass inspection anyway. But I know a guy. Pretty excited. I will keep you posted and updated.
Don't give in to hate. That leads to the dark
Alright guys, going inside.
Total is 377.23. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. Like I say, sounds pretty good. It's loud, but it's not too loud. People were really nice at R&J. I appreciate them and everything. They did a really good job. I will show you guys what it looks like on the underside when I get back to the house. Now it sucks because I forgot to get a POV of what it sounds like stock, but I'll put it up right here in just a second. All I have is this clip of it idling. So here it is underneath. Looks like they spray painted some of the parts right there. Then up there we got resonator delete. Comes back up here to another straight pipe right there. It's not bad at all. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I really appreciate R&J Exhaust for doing this. Great work. If you guys have any opinions on anything for this car, drop it down in the comments. I will read over them. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.